Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, good morning, everybody. Happy October. I wish we had some October feeling temperatures, but a lot of us starting up over 70, and a lot of us are probably going to flirt with 90 this afternoon. So a little bit on the warmer side of normal and a lot on the humid side for what we should have at this time of the year. I'm hoping we can find a few more numbers that start with a 6 tomorrow morning. Seeing a couple of sprinkles over parts of southernmost Taylor County, northernmost Dixie County, up through the Suwannee River Valley. It's not much, but I do think at times today we can find a couple of showers here and there. We're going to find a bunch of clouds all over the place. We'll also have some bouts where the skies are clearer, and that's when the temperatures are going to spike up. It's 74 officially to get us started at the Tallahassee Airport. It's 72 in Thomasville. Again, with those dew point numbers up over 70, that's what you feel when you step outside. That's why your glasses fog up when you step outside. There's a 76 in Perry and in Apalachicola. The only spot not in the 70s right now, that's up in Blakely, where it's 68, in Bainbridge, where it's 71, and Quincy, where it's 72. Now, if there was a little bit more of a breeze out there, wouldn't be so concerned about some fog, but we had quite a bit of patchy fog yesterday morning. I think we're going to find some more this morning. Right now, the visibility numbers are all better than 7 miles, so we're doing okay, but I figure over the next hour, hour and a half, we're going to find some more spots where that fog does thicken up, so be careful. You know, the vermin are out there lurking. We see maybe things where the clouds sort of back off when you get through parts of central Mississippi and Alabama, and then further to the north and west, skies are clear. The air is much drier. Would love to see some of that drier air take over and get here, but needs a little help in the upper part of the atmosphere, and I don't think that help is coming just yet. As the today and tomorrow goes, I'm not expecting a lot of showers. We're going to keep like a 20 or 30% shot for a couple popping up, but I think we'll have a little combination going on between this tropical moisture in place and a little breeze that's trying to come in from the north. And you put those two things together, it likely limits where the showers end up. Doesn't mean we won't get any showers. It just means maybe not as many as we otherwise would. Now, the tropics are still very, very active, maybe not as active as yesterday. We're down to just the remnants of Joyce. We've got Kirk, which looks like it's getting in all the makings of becoming a pretty big and powerful storm. There's energy behind Kirk that's got a pretty good chance for development over the next couple of days also. So a lot going on out in the Atlantic that's never going to impact any land area. And then we're watching over here in parts of the Caribbean. Still nothing organized, maybe a few pockets of showers here and there. And you know, been watching this little area up here. Maybe that's what some of those computers were hinting at last week when they were talking about potentially another storm this week. It doesn't look like it's turning into anything more seriously, but there's a little concentration of showers in the Gulf of Mexico, a couple of 100 miles west of like Fort Myers. So yeah, we got things we're watching, nothing that we're too concerned about. Over the next week or so, there could be some more development in this area, but it's slim chances for development for now, and that's the way we like it. Of course, if there are any changes, we'll let you know. I think the story for us these next couple of days is going to be this plume of tropical moisture that's lingering about and making it feel more like the middle of summer instead of October. On the Gulf today, winds out of the north and northeast up to about 12 knots, seas up to about 2 feet, so pretty good for the boaters with the light winds out there. This morning, it's mostly 70s and muggy. Sun will be up at 7:31. This afternoon, I think we got a pretty good shot to get near 90. I'm hoping we stop in the upper 80s. I'll leave the rain chances 20-30%. I'm not expecting very many, but there can be a couple. More muggy tonight, more partly cloudy tonight. Let's hope we get a few more numbers in the 60s overnight tonight. And here's that 7-day forecast where things stay warm the first part of the week. As we get to Thursday and Friday, I think we ratchet up the clouds a little bit more. I do not expect widespread nonstop soaking rains, but I think our chances for scattered showers increases Friday and Saturday. I'm hoping by maybe early next week, we finally start to push this humid air mass away, but it's probably going to take at least until then. So all the muggies, they're sticking around.